Welcome guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can perform a hard reset of your JBL Charge Essential. So as you can see, at the first I'm currently connected with my iPhone and everything's fine, but if you want to make the reset, remember to power on your speaker. And next you have to click and hold this plus button and the play and the pause button at the same time for a few seconds until this power button just turn off, and also until this connection will be changed to not connected. So let's click and hold these two buttons. Click and hold right now. Take a look on this power button, on this connection button. As you can see, it's turned off. So right now power on your speaker by tapping once on the power button. And as you can see right now, this power button is blinking and also speaker is making sound. It means that right now we are in the pairing mode. So when I try to connect back and click once on the speaker, as you can see, the connection is unsuccessful. It means that the speaker was, the settings of the speaker was restored to the defaults, and right now I'm not able to connect back my speaker. So we have to forget the device, we have to turn off the Bluetooth, turn it on back, and after that the speaker will appear after a few seconds on the list. So we have to select our JBL Charge Essential, and as you can see right now we are connected back. So to perform the factory reset or hard reset, just click and hold these two buttons for a few seconds together until your speaker power off, then forget speaker from my devices list or connected list, and then just simply power off and power on Bluetooth, and then select the speaker from the Bluetooth list. If your speaker is not in the pairing mode after the reset, just click once on the Bluetooth icon. After that it will start blinking and it will show on the other devices list. Of course I'm right now connected, so it will not pop right here. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.